Hello everyone, today I am starting GS paper 2, which is generally called CSET. I am going to do both reasoning as well as quantitative aptitude. Today I am going to start with quantitative aptitude and the topic is time and work. In order to know time and work, we must know what is LCM, because by the process of LCM we are going to solve the problems. Okay, that's why LCM become very important. Now what is actually LCM? What is LCM? L means list, L means list, C means common, M means multiple. Okay, list, common, multiple. First we have to know multiple. Suppose you are given two numbers 2 and 3 and they are asking you to calculate the LCM. Calculate the LCM of 2 and 3. How you will do? First we will find a multiple of 2 and 3. First multiple of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, like this. Then 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Okay, so these are the multiple of 2 and 3. Next we need common. So what are the commons multiple of 2 and 3? What are the common multiple of 2 and 3? So what are common here? 6 is common? Yes, 6 is common. Then 12? Yes, 12 is common. Then 18 is common? Yes. So 6, 12, 18 is common. So common multiple I got. Okay. Next was list. Out of this common multiple, which one is list? 6. 6 is what? List. 6 is what? List. So LCM is what? 6. LCM is what? 6. LCM is what? 6. So for 2 and 3, LCM is what? 6. And remember, this 6 must be divisible by this 2 and this 6 must be divisible by 3. Okay. Okay, this 6 must be divisible by 2, this 6 must be divisible by 3. Again I am taking one more number. Suppose here this time I am taking 2, 3 and 4. Okay, I am taking for 2, 3 and 4. Find the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Okay, find the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Same process. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, like this. Again 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay. So first multiple I got. Then common. What are common here? 6 is common? No. 10? No. 12? Yes, 12 is common. Okay, 12 is common. Next one. Okay, next one. 24 is common. So 12, 24. Okay, these two are common. So which is list? 12 is list. Out of this common multiple, 12 is list. So LCM is what? 12. So for 2, 3, 4, LCM is what? 12. And this again, this 12 must be divisible by 2. This 12 must be divisible by 3. This 12 must be divisible by 4. Yes. 12 is divisible by 2. 12 is divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 4. Okay. Now, how to find the LCM in a shortcut? Okay, this is a little bit long cut, so I am going to do the shortcut. For 2, 3 and 4, I am going to calculate LCM. Okay, for 2, 3 and 4. For 2, 3 and 4, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So find out the LCM. How will do? Divide by 2, 2, 3, 2. Again divide by 2, 1, 3, 1. Again divided by 3, 1, 1, 1. Until and unless we get here 1, we must carry on. Okay, लास्ट जब तक इधर 1 नहीं निकलेगा हम लोग कंटिन्यू. Okay, we must continue until and unless we get 1 here. Okay, so what is LCM? LCM is what? 2 into 2 into 3. So it is what? 12. Okay, okay, what? 12. Now let's start the question. Okay, question is, A can do a piece of work in 10 days and B can do the same work in 20 days. How long will they take to finish the work if both work together? Okay, very simple question. Okay, now what is in the question? In the question what we have, A can does a work in 10 days. A can does a work in 10 days. Okay, B can does the same work in 20 days. Okay, then if they starts working together, in how many days will they complete? In how many days it will take for both of them to complete the same work? What is the question? A can does a work in 10 days, B can does the same work in 20 days. Now question is, if both A and B starts working together, in how many days they can complete the same work? Okay, we will do this by using one trick. What is the trick? Trick is, first we will calculate total unit work. Total work unit. Okay, now how we will calculate total work unit? By using LCM. By using LCM we will first calculate total work unit. Next we will calculate per day work. Okay, here we will calculate per day work of A, then we will calculate per day work of B, then we will calculate per day work of A and B. Okay, so first we will calculate total work unit. How we will calculate total work unit? By doing the LCM. Then we will do per day work. Then we will do per day work. Per day work of A, per day work of B, per day work of A and B. So first we will do what? Total work unit. Okay, what is the total work unit? Is the LCM. So what is the LCM of 10 and 20? It's of course LCM of 10 and 20 is what? 20. LCM of 10 and 20 is what? 20. Okay, so 20 is what? Total unit work. Okay, 20 unit. Okay, total work unit is what? Total work is what? Total work is 20 unit. Okay, total work is 20 unit. Next, per day work. Per day work of A. So can you say me per day work of A? Can anyone say me what is the per day work of A? Okay, per day work of A. In 10 days A have to do 20 unit. In 10 days A have to do 20 unit. In 1 day A have to do 20 by 10 unit, ultimately 2 unit. Okay, in 10 days A have to do 20 unit. Okay, in 10 day A have to do 20 unit. In 1 day A have to do how much? 2 unit. 20 by 10. Similarly we have to do now cost of 10 pen is rupees 20. What is the cost of 1 pen? Cost of 1 pen is 20 by 10, that is what? Rupees 2. Okay, this we already know. Like that I am doing 10 in 10 days. I have to do 20 unit. In 1 day I have to do how much? 2 unit. So 2 unit per day. A is doing 2 unit per day. Okay. Next, per day work of A I have calculated. Next, per day work of B. Next I will calculate per day work of B. Okay. Per day work of B. Per day work of B. Okay. So in 20 days B have to do how much? 20 unit. In 1 day we have to do how much? 20 unit by 20. Okay, so how much? 1 unit per day. How much it is? 1. In 1 day B have to do 1 unit. Okay, in 20 day B does 20 unit. In 1 day B does how much unit? 1 unit. Okay, so 1 unit per day. Okay, 1 unit per day. Okay, now my question is, I have calculated per day work of A. Next I have calculated per day work of B. Now what is the per day work of A and B? If both of them starts working, what is the 1 day work of both A and B? What is the 1 day work of both A and B? Okay, what is the 1 day work of both A and B? 1 day work of both A and B is 2 plus 1, 3 unit. 3 unit. Okay, so 3 unit is what? 3 unit is what? 3 unit is the work of both A and B. Okay, 3 unit is the work of both A and B. Okay, again 20 unit में, okay, in 3 unit, okay, in 1 day, total work of A and B is 3 unit. Okay, okay, so can you say me, अगर एक दिन में 3 यूनिट काम करेगा तो 20 यूनिट कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितना दिन चाहिए? अगर एक दिन में 3 यूनिट काम करेगा तो 20 यूनिट कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितना दिन चाहिए? 20/3. 20/3. So if A and B starts working together, okay, then how much time will it will take? How much time will be taken? 20/3 days. Okay, 20/3 days. Okay, okay, 20/3 days. Okay, because 20 unit is the total unit. 20 is the what? Total unit. Okay, 20 is the total unit. So एक दिन में 3 यूनिट करता है. So 20 यूनिट करने के लिए कितना डेज चाहिए? 20/3. 20 divided by 3, then you will get what? Then 20 divided by 3 days will be taken for both A and B to finish the work. Okay, okay, very very simple. Okay, next let's start another question in the same way. Okay, another question. Let us suppose A does a work in 10 days, B does the same work in 20 days. C does the same work in 30 days. My question is, if A, B and C starts working together, in how many days work will be completed? Okay, A does a work in 10 days, B does the same work in 20 days, C does the same work in 30 days. My question is, if A, B and C starts working together, then in how many days the work can be completed? Okay, for this is also very simple. What we will do, first we will do total work unit. Okay, total work unit. Total work unit is how much? Total work unit is how much? How will calculate? Through LCM. Okay, so what is the LCM of 10, 20 and 30? LCM of 10, 20 and 30, how much? So 10, 20, 30. Okay, what is the LCM? 10, 20, 360. Sorry, 10, 20, 60. LCM is what? 60. Okay, 60. Okay, so 60 LCM. So total unit work is how much? 60. So again, how we will do? We will do in the same way. 10 days, in 10 days A does 60 unit. In 1 day A does 60 by 10, 6 unit. Okay, it is what? 6 unit. 6 unit per day. Next, B के लिए कितना होगा? In 20 days, B does 60 unit. In 1 day B does how much? 3 unit. B does how much? 3 unit. 3 unit per day. Again, in what is the work of C in 1 day? 2 unit per day. Similar way I am doing. So again, what is the total work of A, B and C in 1 day? What is the total work of A, B and C in 1 day? Add them. 6, 3, 9, 2, 11 unit. 11 unit per day. Okay, so A, B and C, what is the total work of A and B, C in 1 day? How much they are doing? In 1 day A, B and C are doing 11 unit. In 1 day A, B and C are doing what? 11 unit. Okay, then in order to do 60 unit, how much time will be taken? It will be 60 by 11 unit. Sorry, day. Okay, 60 by 11 day. Okay, I think it's clear, everybody. Now next question, if A does a work in 10 days, A and B does the same work in 3 days, how many days will B take to complete the work alone? Okay, so A does a work in how many days? 10 days. Okay, A and B they together does the same work in 3 days. Okay, A does the work in 10 days, A and B they together does the same work in 3 days. Then how many days will be taken by B to complete the same work? How many days will be taken by B to complete the same work? Okay, now again we will do what? Total unit work. Okay, so total unit work by LCM. So LCM of 3 and 10 is 30. LCM of 3 and 10 is what? 30. So total unit work is 30 unit. Okay, 30 unit. Okay, in 10 days, I have to do 30 unit. In one day, I have to do how much? 3 unit. Okay, per day. In 10 days, I have to do 30 unit. In one day, I have to do how much? 3 unit. In 3 days, A and B have to do how much? 30 unit. In one day, how much work is done by both A and B? It is what? 10 unit per day. Okay, that means in 3 days A have to do, in 3 days A and B, they together have to do how much? 30 unit. Then in one day, how much both A and B will do? It is what? 30 divided by 3, it is 10 unit. Okay, 10 unit. Now question is, how many days will B take to complete the work alone? Okay, so how we will do this? So what I have done, A plus B, then there must be something, suppose X unit per day. Okay, so we don't know how much B can do in one day. Assume it is what? X unit. Okay, X unit work is done by B in one day. Okay, so what we are doing? 3 unit plus X unit. Okay, it is equal to what? 10 unit. So X will be equal to what? 7 unit. So X will do how much? 7 unit per day. X will do how much? 7 unit per day. Okay, X will do 7 unit per day. Okay, X will do 7 unit per day. Okay, then in order to do 30 unit, how much time will be taken by B? In order to do 30 unit, how much work will be done by B? It is 30 by 7 day. It is 30 by 7 day. Very simple. First we have to do total unit work through LCM, then work per day. Okay, by this it become very easy. Again one more question. Okay, again one more question. What is that question? Right, A and B, what is that question? A and B, they can does a work in 20 days. B and C, they can does a work, same work, okay, 30 days. Again A and C, they can does the same work in 40 days. Now question is, if A, B and C starts working together, in how many days they can finish the work? Okay, in how many days A, B and C can finish the work together? Okay, my question is, if A can does the work in 20 days, if A and B can does the work in 20 days, B and C can does the same work in 30 days, A and C can does the same work in 40 days, then my question is, if A, B and C starts working together, in how many days the work will be completed? How we will do? We will use same method. First, total unit work. Total unit work is how much? LCM of 20, 30 and 40. LCM of 20, 30 and 40. Okay, so how much it will be? how much it will be? LCM of 20, 30, 40, how much it will be? 120. How much it will be? 120. Okay, 120. So total work will be 120 unit. Okay, total work will be 120 unit. So A and B does this work in 20 days. A and B in 20 days, how much work have to do? 120 unit. A and B in 20 days have to do 120 unit. So A and B, what is the work of A and B in 1 days? It will be 6 unit per day. Okay, A and B, they can finish the work in 20 days. So in 1 day, what is the work of A and B? How we will do? 120 divided by 20. Okay, it is 6 unit per day. Again it will be B and C can do the same work in 30 days. So what is the 1 day's work of B and C? It is 120 by 30. It is how much? 4 unit per day. Again it will be for A and C, it will be how much? It is 3 unit per day. Okay, 3 unit per day. Okay. Okay, so now if I add this, what I will get? 2A plus 2B plus 2C, and here 13 unit per day. Now we need what? We need okay, but we need what? Work of A. How many days it will be taken by A, B and C to finish the same work? Okay, so it will be take 2 out, so it will be 13.6.5 unit per day, 6.5 unit per day, because 13 by 2 become, okay, 13 by 2 become, it will become how much? 6.5 unit per day. Okay, 6.5 unit per day. So in one day A, B, C can do how much unit? 6.5 unit. In 1 day A, B, C can do how much? 6.5 unit. Okay, so in order to do 120 unit, how much time will be taken? 120 divided by 6.5, it will be 120 65. This will be what? Answer. Okay, this will be answer. Very easy. Okay, very easy. First I am doing 1 day's work of A and B, it is 6 unit per day. 1 day's work of B and C, it is 4 unit per day. 1 day's work of A and C, it is 3 unit per day. Then I am adding this to A, to B plus to C. I am getting this 13 unit per day. Then I am getting what? A plus B plus C's work in 1 day is 6.5 unit. Then in order to do 120 unit, how much time will be taken? 120 divided by 6.5. Now see this question. What is given? A can do a work in 10 days, B can do the same work in 20 days. If after working for 5 days A left the work, remaining work is done by B, then how much more days will B take to finish the work? B, total time will be taken by both A and B to finish the work. Question is very simple. Okay, we will go first. What? A can does a work in what? 10 days. Okay, A can does a work in 10 days. Okay, very nice. Next, B can do the same work in 20 days. B can do the same work in 20 days. Okay, okay. Then what is given? That after working 5 days A left the work. Okay, A works for A works for 5 days. Okay, A works for 5 days and remaining is done by remaining work is done by B. Okay, that means first initially A is to do the work. Initially A will do the work for 5 days. After 5 days A will left, then B will start the work. Now question is, how much more days will B take to finish the work? That means how much time will be taken by B to finish the work? Okay, so we will go first, we will take as usual, we will take what? Total work unit. Okay, so total work unit is what? LCM of 10 and 20 is what? 20 unit. Okay, 20 unit. Okay, so A in 10 days can does the work of 20 unit. A can do the work in 10 days 20 unit. 10 days में A 20 unit काम करता. Okay, A does a work of 20 unit in 10 days. एक दिन में कितना करेगा? In one day it will do how much? 20 by 10, it is 2 unit per day. Okay, similarly B can does the 20 unit work in 20 day. एक दिन में कितना करेगा? In one day it will do what? 1 unit per day. Okay, that means in 10 day A can does a work of 20 unit. Therefore in one day A can does a work of 2 unit. Similarly B can does the 20 unit work in 20 days. So एक दिन में कितना करेगा? 1 unit. How? 20 by 20, 1 unit. Similarly this is 2 unit. How? 20 by 10 is 2 unit. Okay, so now A works for 5 days. Okay, अगर A एक दिन में 2 यूनिट काम करता तो 5 दिन में कितना करेगा? 2 into 5, how much? It is 10 unit. Okay, अगर A एक दिन में 2 यूनिट काम करता तो A कितना दिन काम करता? 5 days. A works for 5 days. एक दिन में अगर 2 यूनिट काम करता तो 5 दिन में कितना होगा? 2 into 5, 10 यूनिट. ओके, 10 यूनिट करने के बाद A चला जाता है. A left the work after working 10 unit. So after working 10 unit, how much work is left? Total work is 20 unit. A already does how much unit? 10 unit. So left work is how much? How much left work? Left work is how much? Left work is 20 minus 10 unit. 20 minus 10 is what? Left work is what? 10 unit. This 10 unit will be done by what? B. 10 unit will be what? Done by B. 10 unit will be done by what? B. This 10 unit will be done by what? B. This 10 unit will be done by what? B. Okay, the remaining work is done by B. That means this 10 unit will be done by B. अगर B एक दिन में 1 यूनिट काम करता, अगर B एक दिन में 1 यूनिट काम करता तो 10 यूनिट फिनिश करने के लिए कितना दिन चाहिए? अगर B एक दिन में 1 यूनिट काम करता तो 10 यूनिट खर्च करने के लिए 10 यूनिट काम करने के लिए कितना दिन काम करना पड़ता? 10 days. Okay, 10 days. Okay, if A needs 1 unit to complete, if A completes 1 unit in 1 day, if A completes 1 unit in 1 day, then in order to finish the 10 unit, how much it will take? Obviously 10 days. Okay, so how much more days will B take to finish the work? How much day? B will take 10 days to finish the work. B will take 10 days to finish the work. Okay, so it will be 10 days. Next question, total time will be taken by both A and B. So A कितना दिन काम करता? How much A has done? For 5 days. A कितना काम किया? For 5 days. B ने कितना? 10 days. So 5 plus 10, it is what? 15 days. Okay. Total time will be what? 15 days. Very, very simple, but we have to go through the process. So let us move to the next question. What is the next question? A finishes a work in 15 days, B finishes the same work in 30 days, C finishes the same work in 45 days. If A and B starts working 5 days together, remaining work is done by C in how many days? Okay, question is again very simple. Okay, so first A finishes a work in 15 days. A finishes a work in how many days? 15 days. Okay. Then B finishes the work in 30 days. Okay. In 30 days, B finishes the work. C finishes the same work in 45 days. C finishes the same work in 45 days. Okay. Okay. Now, if A and B starts working 5 days together. Okay. So, A and B, okay, starts working for 5 days. Starts working for 5 days. Working for 5 days. Okay. A and B starts working for 5 days. Okay. Then remaining work is done by C. Okay. Okay. So LCM, first we will calculate what LCM, that is total unit work. Total unit work means LCM of 15, 30, 45. LCM is what? 90. So LCM is what? 90 unit. Okay. So LCM of this tree is 90 unit. So in 15 days A works 90 unit. In one day A will work how many unit? It's 6 unit. Okay. In 15 days A does a 90 unit. In one day A will do how much? 6 unit, because 90 by 15 is 6. Again in 30 days B will do 90 unit. In one day B will do how much? 3 unit. Here in 45 days C will do 90 unit. In one day C will do how much? 2 unit per day. Okay. Okay, because 90 by 45 is 2 unit. Again A and B starts working for 5 days. Okay, first we have to calculate एक दिन में A और B कितना काम करेगा. First we have to calculate एक दिन में A और B कितना काम करेगा. एक दिन में A और B 6 plus 3 9 unit. Okay, एक दिन का A का काम कितना है? एक दिन 6 unit. B का एक दिन का काम कितना है? 3 unit. So दोनों मिला के एक दिन का काम कितना होगा? 6 plus 3 9 unit. Okay, so एक दिन in one day the how much A and B together can do in one day? A and B together can do in one day 9 unit. Okay, A and B in one day together can do how much? 9 unit. So in 5 days, okay, okay, A and B, they together can do 9 unit work for one day. 6 plus 3 9 unit. 9 unit for one day. Okay, A and B, they together can do 9 unit for one day. Okay, how 9 unit? 6u plus 3u. Okay, then for 5 days into 5. So it is 6 plus 3 9 into 5 45 unit. Okay, 45 unit. Okay, so A and B, they together can do 45 unit for 5 days. A and B, they together can do 45 unit for 5 days. Okay, so total unit was what? 90 unit. So already A and B does 45 unit. Total unit was 90 unit. A and B after working 5 days, how many they finished? 45. Okay, out of 90, 45 is finished by what? A and B after working 5 days. So remaining is what? 90 minus 45. So how many? 45 unit. 45 unit is remaining. 45 unit is remaining. This remaining 45 unit will be done by what? Will be done by what? C. Okay. So this remaining 45 unit will be done by C. अभी देखो C एक दिन में कितना काम कर सकता है? 2 यूनिट. ओके. एक दिन में C कितना कर सकता है? 2 यूनिट. ओके. 2 यूनिट एक दिन में कर सकता है. सो 45 यूनिट खत्म करने के लिए कितना दिन चाहिए? हाँ, कितना चाहिए? एक दिन में इन 1 डे C कैन फिनिश 2 यूनिट. इन 1 डे C कैन फिनिश 2 यूनिट. सो 45 यूनिट खत्म करने कितना दिन चाहिए? 45 by 2 days. Okay, 45 by 2 days. Okay, 45 by 2 days. This is what answer. So next question. It's again little bit different type. Okay, so A can do a piece of work in 15 days. B can do the same work in 30 days. A and B starts working in alternative days. If A works first day followed by B, find the total number of days for the work to be completed. Okay, so what is the question? What is given actually? A can does a work. Okay, A can does a work in how many days? 15 days. Okay, nice, 15 days. Then B can do the same work in 30 days. Okay, 30 days. Okay, A can does a work in 15 days, B can does the same work in 30 days. Again, what is given? A and B starts working in alternative days. A and B starts working in alternative days. So alternative days means what? What do you mean by alternative days? Alternative days means what? Suppose day 1, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. And the first day A is working. In the first day A is working. Next day B is working. Number 3 day again A is working. Number 4 day again B is working. Number 5 day again A is working. Number 6 day again B is working. So it's alternatively. First day A, next day B. Third day A, next day B. Fourth day, like this. That means first day A, next day B. Then third day A, fourth day B. Fifth day A, sixth day B. It's alternatively. Okay, it's said to be what? Alternatively. Now, okay, find the total number of days for the work to be completed. Okay, find the total number of days for the work to be completed. Okay, so we will do as usual. What? First of all, we will do the total work. Total work is the LCM of these two. So total unit is what? Total unit work is what? How much? 30 unit, because LCM is how much? LCM is 30. LCM is 30, so total work is 30 unit. If A does the work 30 units in 15 days, in 1 day how much A can do? Okay, in 15 days A can do 30 unit. In 1 day A can do how much? 2 unit. In 1 day A can do how much? 2 unit. In 30 days B do 30 unit. In 30 days B do how much? 30 unit. In 1 day B will do how much? 1 unit. Okay, in 30 days B will do 30 unit. In 1 day B will do how much? 1 unit. 30 divided by 30, 1 unit. 30 divided by 15, 2 unit. Okay, now so if we see here, first day A is working. First day A is working. So A is doing how much work? 2 unit. A is doing how much work? 2 unit. In the second day, who is working? B is working. So B can do in one day, B can do how much work? 1 unit. Okay. Since next day B is working, so B can do how much work? 1 unit. B can do in one day, B can do 1 unit. In one day, A can do 2 unit. In one day, A can do 2 unit. In one day, B can do 1 unit. Next again A, again 2 unit. Next again B, 1 unit. Next like this. Okay. Okay. So first day A is working 2 unit. Second day B is working 1 unit. Third day A is working 2 unit. Fourth day B is working 1 unit. Fifth day A is working 2 unit. Sixth day B is working 1 unit. Okay. Now can you say in 3 days, sorry, in 2 days, 2 plus 1, 3 unit. Can I write in 2 days 3 unit is completed? In 2 days, both by A and B, how much is completed? 3 unit. How? 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. In first 2 days, 3 unit is completing. Again here in next 2 days, again 3 unit. Next 2 days, again 3 unit. That means in every 2 days 3 unit is completing. In every 2 days 3 unit is completing. Okay. So how much total work? Total work is how much? 30 unit. Total work is how much? 30 unit. In every 2 days 3 unit is finished. In every 2 days 3 unit is finished. We need to complete 30 unit. So कितना चाहिए? So in order to get this 30, what I have to do? I have to multiply this with what? 30. So I am getting how much? 30 unit. I am getting here how much? 30 unit. Okay. So see here, I think it is okay. I will do here. So 2 days, 3 unit. 2 days 3 unit. So in 2 days 3 unit is completing. Okay. Every 2 days 3 units is completing. But we need to complete how much? 30 unit. So in order to get 30 unit, what I have to do? I have to multiply this with 10. What I am getting? 30 unit. Okay. If I am multiplying this with 10, this also I have to multiply with what? 10. So it will be how much? 20 days. Okay. So 30 day unit will be completed in 20 days. What I am doing, in order to get 30, because I need to complete what? We need what? 30 unit works to be completed. No, 30 unit works to be what? Completed. So in order to get 30, what we have to do? I am multiplying with 10. So I am getting 30. So since I am getting 30, since I am multiplying this with 10, this also I have to multiply with 10. So in 20 days, I am getting how much? 30 units. So answer will be what? 20 days. Okay. So total number of days for the work to be completed is what? How much? 20 days. So next question, what is given? Same, only I have changing this days. 10 days, here I am putting 20 days. Okay. So how we will do? Same. A can does a work in 10 days. Okay. A can does a work in 10 days. A can does a work in 10 days. Okay. 10 days. B can does the work in 20 days. Okay. Okay. Now they are working in alternative days. So day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. Okay. So A is working on first day, then B, then A, then B, then A, then B, then A. Okay. So again LCM, it is what? Total work 20. 20 यूनिट. ओके, सो 10 दिन में 20 यूनिट, एक दिन में हाउ मच? 2 यूनिट, 2 यूनिट पर डे. 20 डेज में 20 यूनिट, एक दिन में 1 यूनिट, 1 यूनिट per day. Okay, so here A is again same thing, 2 unit, 1 unit, 2 unit, 1 unit, 2 unit, 1 unit, again 2 unit. Okay, it's like this. Okay, so here again for every 2 days, in first 2 days, 2 plus 1 3 unit, for first 2 days 3 unit. Okay, first 2 days 3 unit. Okay, now how much I need? 20 unit. How I will get this? 6. If I do 6, then it will be 18 unit. If I multiply with 6, then it will be 18 unit. Don't multiply with 7 because it will be more. Okay, it will be, if I multiply with 7, it will be 21. Okay, so you don't multiply with such number so that this value will be bigger than this. Okay, this value must be always smaller than this. Okay, so I am multiplying with 6, so it is what? 18 unit. It is how much? 18 unit. Okay, here also I am multiplying with 6, so it will be how much? 12 days. 6 into 12 days. Okay, here I am saying. Okay, so 2 days, every 2 days how much unit? 2 plus 1 3 unit. For every 2 days 2 plus 1 3 units. Okay, so I need how much? 20 units. So we must multiply with 6, not 7. Why? If I multiply with 7, then it will be 21. It should be always less. The value of this should be always less than that. Okay, so I will multiply with what? 6. So it is what? 18 units. How much? It is 18 units. You multiply with 6, it will be 12. So 12 days, 18 units. 12 days, 18 units. Okay, now we need what? 20 unit. So 2 unit is left. So up to 6 days, 6 number of days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 6 days. Okay, how much I am getting? 18 units. Then in the number 7 days we will work. In number 7 days we will work, A will work. How much? 2 unit. So number 7 days we will work, A will work. How much? 2 unit. So it becomes what? It becomes how much? 18 plus 2, it is 20 units. Okay, so here 1 day will be added. So here it will be what? 1 day will be added. So in 13 days. Okay, so in 13 days 20 units. Okay, because 1 day means what? This number 7 day, no, that day only I am adding. Number 7 day is what? 1 day here. Okay, so 12 plus 1, 13 days, it is what? 20 units. So it means how much? 13 days. In 13 days work will be completed. So one more question I will try today. Suppose A is doing the work in how many days? Okay, A is doing a work in how many days? 10 days. Okay, B is completing that work in 20 days. C is completing that work in 30 days. Okay, so I am taking A is completing a work in 10 days, B is completing the same work in 20 days, C is completing the work in 30 days. Now here first day, okay, first day day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, 7, 8, 9. So first day A is working, next day B is working, next day C is working, again fourth day A is working, fifth day B, C, A, B, C. So first day A is working, second day B is working, third day C is working, fourth day A is working, fifth day B, C, like this. Okay, they are working in alternative days. Okay, not alternative days. Okay, like this. Okay. So now question is, in how many days the work will be completed? Simple. How we will do? First we will calculate what? LCM. Okay. So LCM. So LCM 10, 20, 60. 10, 20, 30. LCM is what? 60. Okay. LCM is what? How much LCM? 60. Okay. LCM is how much? 60. LCM is how much? 60. Okay. LCM is how much? 60. Okay. So if 60 LCM, okay, 60 LCM, so in 10 day 60 unit, 10 day A is doing in 10 days A is doing 60 unit, in one day 6 unit. Okay. B in 20 days B is doing how much? 60 unit, in one day it is 3 unit. In 30 days C is doing how much? 60 unit, in one day it will do how much? 2 unit. Okay, very simple. So first day A is doing how much? 6 unit. Next day B is doing how much? 3 unit. Next day C is doing how much? 2 unit. 6 unit, 3 unit, 2 unit, 6 unit, 3 unit, 2 unit, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so in every 3 days, how much? In every 3 days, how much work is completing? 6, 3, 9, 10, 11 unit is completing. In every 3 days 11 unit is completing. So I need how much total work? 60 unit. So in order to get 60 unit, what I have to do? I have to multiply with this with 5. Okay, 5, then I will guess how much? 55 unit. Okay, 55 unit. This also with 5. So in 15 days 55 unit is completing, not with 6, because it will be 66. So it must be smaller than total work. Okay, so it's 55 unit in 15 days. Okay, now how much work has to be completed? 60 unit. Total work is 60 unit, but I am doing how much? 55 unit. So in 15 days. Okay, now who will work in 16 days? Now who will work in 16 days? A, B, C. Who will work? Of course A. In 16 number days A will work. Okay, so in 16 days A will work. Okay, in 16 days A will work, but how much A will work? 6 unit. How much A will work? 6 unit. So if A will work 6 unit, it will be how much? 61 unit. It will be how much? 61 unit. Okay, in now that means in number 16 days who is working? Who is working? In number 16 days, 16 number days, who is working? A is working, but A can do how much work? 6 unit. So 55 plus 6, it is 61 unit. But again problem, because it is greater than this. This must be always lesser than this. So it is, since it is greater than this, so this 61 unit is greater than this. Now we need what? 60 unit. We need 60 unit, but we are getting how much? 61 unit. So 16 days will not be answer. Okay, so how we will get this? We will get this. We need how much? We need 5. We need how much? 5. Total, we need 5 unit now. Total unit is 55 unit is there. Total unit is 55 unit is there. Again, how much we are needing? How much we need? I need what? 5 unit. So I need 5 unit. But how much A is doing? A is doing 6 unit. So 5 by 6. Again, this is what? 15 days. Okay. So how many days? 15. 5 into 5 by 6 days. Okay. This much days. Okay. So how I am getting this? I am getting because see, one day A cannot work, because if A work one day, then it will be 6 unit. So if it will be 6 unit, it will be 61 unit. So one day, complete one day will not work. It will work 5 by 6 days. A will work 5 by 6 days. 5 by 6 days means what? 5 by 6 into 24. Okay, so for 20 hour. Okay, so A will work how much? 15 days, 20 hour. A will, okay, so A will work 15 days, 20 hour to complete the whole work. Okay, not A, B, C. Okay, everyone will do how much? 15 days, 20 hour will work, so that what? 60 unit will be finished. Okay.